What's up everybody? Jonathan Strickland, apparel specialist with Grimco. We're here at Made Lab in Fort Worth today, and I've got some very exciting news to release for all my DTF printers out there. The moment you've been waiting for is officially here. We are now releasing Briteline DualPEEL DTF film. We're offering 3 sizes, that's 13 inch, 24 inch, and 36 inch. So we've got solutions for all of your main staple sizes. This is also drop-in ready. We've already done and taken the liberty of testing on just about every printer out there. And color profiles, you don't have to really go crazy trying to fine tune this. It's drop-in, however you've been printing, fantastic color vibrancy and cost effective. Let us bring it in for you. Don't have the stresses of trying to source, major bulk purchases from overseas just to get your price down. We can handle that burden for you. And I think the pricing is going to speak a lot for itself. But is there anything we could do more than film? Of course there is. We've now got DTF powder as well. 2 important staples for any DTF printer, film, and now the powder. Our powder is going to be a 50-50 blend. That's fine and coarse powder, giving you the best of both worlds when it comes to soft hand feel and washability. So if you have any questions or if you're ready to make your first purchase today, feel free to reach out to any of your reps or reach out to us at apparel@grimco.com. Thank you so much and keep on pressing.